Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the Car Dent Puller. This car dent suction cup is ergonomically designed and has the convenience of single-stroke pump operation. It has an innovative one-hand buckle design, a precise structure, and a strong and lasting pull, so it will not deform easily. The suggested selling price is 19.9 euros, with the product costing on AliExpress 0.8 euro, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is smartwatch. You will receive timely reminders if SMS, WhatsApp, and Facebook news are sent to you, detecting your heart rate, monitoring your heartbeat, record your exercise mileage, sports calories, and calorie consumption with a pedometer. It reminds you to change your unhealthy lifestyle and get up from a sedentary position, monitoring sleeps objectively and quantitatively. The mobile phone's find function serves as an anti-lost reminder. The recommended selling price is 39.95 euros and the product cost on AliExpress is 11.13 euros. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.